Hi there, it's Regina. Thank you for stopping by and joining me for another week. This week, I wanted to share some affirmations to help you design and manifest the next chapter of your life and start attracting everything that you think, believe, and feel. One of the best ways to be heard by the universe is to speak positive statements about what you desire into existence. Be mindful that everything starts with a thought. Thoughts become emotions, and ultimately they become your reality. What you are thinking and how you are feeling today is creating your future. By changing today's predominant beliefs and emotions, you can change the manifestation of the future in your favor, which makes you the master of your life. Listen now to my voice for words that will help you use the law of attraction to attract into your life whatever you are focusing on with your beliefs and emotions, and by using the power of your mind to translate what is in your thoughts and materialize them into reality. I am receiving abundance now in expected and unexpected ways. I am increasingly confident in my ability to create the life I desire. I am acting on inspiration and insights, and I trust my inner guidance. I am giving and receiving all that is good and all that I desire. I am receiving infinite, inexhaustible, and immediate abundance. I am creating my life according to my dominant beliefs, and I am improving the quality of those beliefs. I am constantly striving to raise my vibration through good thoughts, words, and actions. I am making a meaningful contribution to the world, and I am wonderfully compensated for my contributions. I am willing to believe that I am the creator of my life experience. I am willing to believe that by raising my vibration, I will attract more of what I desire. I am worthy of love, abundance, success, happiness, and fulfillment. I am willing to believe that by focusing on feeling good, I make better choices that lead to desired results. I have the ability to create anything that I want. My life is filled with great abundance in every area. I accept and allow success in all areas of my life. I firmly believe in my ability to attract success. Great things are coming to me today. I attract everything that I desire. I am totally committed to achieve my goals and dreams. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. All good things flow into my life. I am a powerful money magnet. I attract success into my life effortlessly. I am open and ready to attract abundance into my life. I am a magnet for financial abundance and prosperity. I am attracting positive and abundant people into my life. I am positive, passionate, and successful. I learn from the past, live in the present, and plan for the future. I easily attract the things that I desire most. My positive belief in myself is transforming my life. My dreams are manifesting before my eyes. I am filled with limitless potential. I am worthy of love, abundance, success, happiness, and fulfillment. Abundance surrounds me everywhere I go. I rejoice in others' success, wealth, and prosperity. Every day I turn my dreams into reality. I have the power to manifest wealth and abundance in my life. The power to be successful is within me. Everything I need for success comes to me easily and effortlessly. Every day I attract people who help me achieve my goals. I am living the life of my dreams.